Hi, welcome back on What Yourself channel. I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your Samsung S20 Ultra. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we have to turn on your phone, plug it in with the USB-C cable to the computer. Next, we have to turn off our phone by pressing volume down and power button together. After the phone will turn off, press volume up and power button together. So keep holding, volume down and power. Now volume up, no, it won't turn off. So one more time. Keep holding, volume down and power button. Keep holding, yep, volume up, power. Release power, still holding volume up. That's right, release all the button. Now scroll down by volume down to wipe data factory reset. Accept by power. Now go down and accept by power. Now phone going to hard reset, delete all the data from your phone and also delete the PIN or password from your phone. Now reboot system now and phone will start with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. Of course, be sure to know your Google account and all of your data from your phone will be deleted. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey!